Okay, so let's dive into this. If you're a fan of Rosalía, maybe you're eyeing that Lux logo hoodie, or perhaps the signed vinyl.
Yeah, the really exclusive stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And you've probably landed on Rosalía.com and thought, wait, is this actually legit? Is it safe?
Mm-hmm. That's the core question, isn't it? Legit or scam?
So today, we're digging into the source material we have to figure that out for you. Can you actually trust hitting buy on that site?
Right. That's the mission. We've looked at material asking exactly that, legit or scam, and we're here to give you a clear, evidence-based answer, not just guessing.
Okay, so first impressions, the site looks right, doesn't it? It's got the merch, the signed items, the poster box sets. Looks professional.
It does. Presentation is definitely there, like a proper artist store.
But, looks aren't everything online. So we need the hard data. What did the safety checks actually show?
Okay, yeah, this is crucial. The site, rosalita.com, was checked using Scam Advisor. And that service, it digs into all sorts of things. Security certificates, server location, known issues.
And the result?
Perfect. 100 out of 100 on their trust score.
Wow, okay. 100, 100. That's pretty definitive sounding.
It really is. Because it covers the essentials, Things like domain ownership verification, having a proper SSL certificate, that lock icon that means your payment info is encrypted.
Right, the encryption part is key.
Absolutely. And also, no red flags like malware or phishing reports tied to it. The report itself literally said, high trust rating, this site looks safe to use. Pretty direct.
That sounds really solid. But devil's advocate for a second, scams are getting clever. Couldn't a really well-made fake site maybe pass those checks, at least for a while? Is there something more permanent?
That's a fair question. And that's where we look beyond just the immediate technical safety checks and consider the site's history, stability over time.
Okay, so what about its history?
Well, this is where it gets really interesting. The domain name itself, rosalía.com, it was registered 24 years ago.
Wait, hang on. 24 years. But Rosalía's huge international fame, that's much more recent, right?
Exactly. Way more recent. The domain existed long before she became the global superstar she is now.
Huh. Okay, so that's not just some quick pop-up shop trying to grab cash while she's popular.
Precisely. That kind of longevity tells you a couple of really important things. One, it's established. It's a permanent digital address, not temporary.
Makes sense.
And two, keeping a domain active for, well, almost a quarter of a century. That implies some serious planning, some real infrastructure behind it. It's not the kind of thing your typical fly-by-night merch scammer does. They usually register domains very recently.
Right, those scam sites often pop up and disappear quickly. So, a 24-year history plus a perfect safety score today. That combination feels very strong.
It seals the deal, really. When you put together the audited perfect safety score from Scam Advisor with a domain history stretching back over 2 decades, the conclusion from the source material is unavoidable. Rosalía.com is 100% legitimate. It is the official place for her merchandise.
So if you were hesitating on buying that signed vinyl or the hoodie,
you can feel confident. Go ahead and click that checkout button. The evidence says it's safe and official.
Okay, great. So the takeaway is clear. Rosalía.com gets the green light. Verified official, safe to use based on that longevity, and the safety reviews. Good news for the fans.
Definitely. And maybe just one final thought to leave you with, something to chew on.
Ooh.
Think about that 24-year-old domain again, registered so long before she hit peak fame. What does that kind of, foresight tell us about how major artist brands are managed behind the scenes these days? That long-term planning, it's pretty unusual, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something to consider about the whole industry, maybe.